The data protection officer, as we would have mentioned before, that is that person who oversees the privacy program within the organization. And so when you're choosing or selecting a data protection officer, it's very important for you to think about who is best suited within the organization. If you're hiring somebody, if you're having somebody within your organization being the data protection officer, who within that organization can competently discharge certain duties such as oversight of your privacy program, managing data subject requests, as well as liaising with the Office of the Information Commissioner. So that person needs to have excellent communication skills. They need to be able to, they need to have certain privacy experience, legal knowledge or audit experience, that sort of thing. They also need to be in a position where they do not have a conflict of interest. And this is critical. When you're looking at who is in a position of conflict, the best way to answer that is who is in a position within the organization to determine the processing of that organization. So there are sort of no-brainers in terms of persons who are not best suited to be the data protection officer. This would be, for example, your CEO or your managing director, your COO, your chief operating officer. These are persons who are in a position to direct, okay, this is what we're going to be doing with data. And once they're in that position, they will be in a position of conflict with the data protection officer as envisioned under the Act. So it's very, very important that you do a sort of detailed assessment if it is that you're going to put that data protection officer function within your organization. You can also outsource or hire a specific person to be your data protection officer. So similarly, if you're going to hire somebody specifically, you want to make sure your job description really comes up to par in terms of who this person is. You might want to be looking for persons with privacy specializations. The International Association of Privacy Professionals has certain certifications you can look at. And also locally, we have institutions that are offering certification programs. In particular, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, eCampus does offer a certification program. So you want to look at that as a critical point in terms of hiring somebody. Alternatively, you can use somebody who's external to your organization, a data protection officer. And you want to be careful with that as well, because once again, the position of conflict is very, very important. So make sure you get some legal advice on that, and be very careful when you're appointing your data protection officer.